Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, well, if you've seen my previous video, I did pick up a new action camera, the DJI Action 5 Pro. It's a mouthful, yes, but in that video I told you, instead of getting the adventure combo, I went to Amazon and I got myself a 42 piece GoPro accessory bundle for only $1,000. Now, I was skeptical because $1,000 is not a lot of money when it comes to camera equipment, but it's finally here. Now we're going to unbox it and we'll see what all you get and what the quality is like. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I just love tearing into things. There's something so satisfying about this. Okay. That's just the bag. And this, boys and girls, is what you get for $1,000. There are a lot of things inside. Oh my god. I don't even know what half of these things are, but let's start with the most bright item. Now this is a float mount where you can hold your camera basically, and yeah, you can attach your camera over here like this, and you can vlog like this. And it also has a hand strap and a thumb screw, so that's nice. Let's see how the DJI mount lines up with this. Yeah, it feels a little toy-like, but it'll get the job done. You can vlog like this, and if you're jumping into a pool, well, this will float like this. So yeah, let's go on to the next thing, which is, what is this? Yeah, not sure what this is, but this is there. I'm going to line everything up so that at the end you'll get a feel for what it's like. And what's this? Okay, I think this I'm sorry guys, I'm pretty new to this. Okay, so yeah, that's how that is. And what else do we have? We have a lot of these mounts, which all come with their own thumb screws, so that is awesome. Okay. Oh my god, these mounts are really nice. If only I knew what everything did. Now I'm looking for the head mount, the head strap basically. I'm really excited for that. These are a bunch of sticky mounts. Yeah, you get a lot. And you get the stickers over here. And where is the head strap? I am keen on finding that. I have another strap over here. No idea what this is. Keep it there. This, I believe, is a wrist strap. Yes, this is a wrist strap where you wear your camera like a watch. If you're biking, well, this is that. I'm gonna unbox everything, so this is going to take some time, but bear with me. Yeah, some hard foam. I think it goes in between your mounting surfaces for extra protection. Another J style hook mount. That's good. Now, where is the head strap? Oh my god, yes, this is the bicycle mount. Yes, this is the bicycle mount, so that's there. Another kind of a mount. Okay, I'm just showing you everything. Oh, this one has a little arm like this. Oh, that's cool. So basically you can tilt, and yeah, that's kind of cool. Also dedicated thumb screw. but we'll keep that aside. I will just keep it over here. And where is my head strap? Okay, now this is another major one. This is the selfie stick. Now this is really long. Ooh, I really like this, and this does feel good in the hand. This part over here is rubberized, and this part has this chrome finish. Although I'm going to need a mount for this. Like, okay, how do I get that on? Oh yeah, that is something I'm going to need. Is it one of these? No. I'm not sure how. Oh yes. Got it. This one over here. This is the threaded mount where you thread this. Yeah, this is going to be my main accessory. And let me see if I can tighten this. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is secure. And now what you can do is you can take apart this and install it to this. I hope this works. This doesn't work. Yes, it works. And yeah, this is the one which I'm going to use the most. I already know this. I have a feeling that this is going to be my favorite one, because this is the one which I am going to be using. Oh yeah. Alright, hello guys. So yeah, this is how it looks like once the camera is attached. This is nice. I like the grip of this, and you do have a thing for your hand. That's nice. And this is good. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, this is good. This feels great. So yeah, we just remove this for now, and let's keep exploring. I am still waiting on my headband, and I believe now this is the chest mount. Chest mount, I'm not going to take it out because I am not going to use it, so let this be there. Ooh, this is another favorite one of mine. This is the suction mount. This is where I'm going to wait, I don't want to break it. Yeah, basically suck this onto the windshield of your car, and you have a mount. And this, I am not sure how does that work. Maybe like this. Okay, and okay, now everything makes sense. Now you can mount your camera over here and screw it in, and okay, that is mounting done on your windshield. That's a pretty nice thing to have. And keep it aside. Where is my head mount? I haven't seen this. Nah, this one, I'm really excited for this one too. This is a clip mount. See, now clip mount, what it does is it allows your camera to basically latch onto your hat. No, wait, why isn't this moving? It's not moving. Huh? There is a clip over here. Okay. Oh, it's really tight. Like, ouch! Yeah, it's really tight. And that's a good thing, because if you have a hat and you want to do POV driving, this is going to be my POV driving setup. I'm going to need something like, yeah, this basically goes in here, and yeah, just keep this like this. And yes, that is POV driving. Although, yeah, it goes in like that. Camera's over here. Yes, this is going to be my POV setup for now on. This, and I really want that head strap. Yep, here she is. This is the head strap. This is what I've been waiting for, and here it is. Now again, just have to place it directly and tight. So I'm going to take a screw and thread it. So this is what I look like with the head mount on. Hey Baru, what is this?
Head mount.
Head mount. She knows what it is. It's a head mount. So Yeah, not very comfortable, but assuming the camera is going to be like this. I'm recording on the camera right now, and I'm going to mount the camera over here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So guys, this is the entire kit unpacked, and yeah, most of these things I'm not very familiar with, but the ones I'm going to use for sure is this selfie stick, which is really nice. It can be extended really far away, and yeah, the mount feels secure enough where I have confidence to use this. Another one of my favorites is the head mount itself. You can put it on your head and do POV driving, and I might use this too, not because I'm going near water, but just feels good, and it is compact compared to this, but yeah, we'll see. And another one of my favorite is this one, is the clip mount, which is really tight. I'm going to use that a lot. And another one of my favorites is the suction mount for your windshield. Very handy thing to have, especially for shoots. I'm going to take this all the time. And I mounted the one provided by DJI on my car permanently. It is stuck on there on the dashboard, so that I don't have to fiddle with it anymore. It is permanently stuck on my dash. So yeah, that was the whole kit, guys. This is the whole kit, and for $1,000 the quality is not that bad. The quality is actually really good. I mean, the head mount especially, although a little questionable, but that's just my paranoia. But it has good quality, and the camera is stuck on there pretty good. And the whole kit, just for the sheer number of thumb screws you get for $1,000, hey, this is really worth it, and I really recommend this to anyone. I'm going to put the link in the description below for this exact same kit. And yeah, like I said, if you don't want to buy the adventure combo, just buy the camera for 37,500 and just pay 1,000 rupees more for this whole kit. This is all you need for an action camera, and not specific to the DJI, because this kit is specifically written, it's for the GoPro, not specifically mentioned. Any GoPro can be, yeah, this could be for any GoPro. And yeah, was it worth it? 100%. This is totally worth it, and I'm going to use this in a variety of ways. Paro. Was it worth it? Oh yes, 100%. This kit is definitely worth it, and I'm going to use this a lot. And I'm just very happy that this combo worked out, because I was always skeptical whether this would work or not, or whether the quality will be really bad. But I'm happy to report, hey, this thing really works. And yeah guys, that's it, and that was the end of the tech side of that car guy. Now onwards is going to be our regular content of new car reviews, old car reviews, automotive related items and news. And yeah, this was just a small peek, 2 videos into my life and on my new camera purchase and the accessories, because I know car guys love cameras, not love cameras, they like shooting. Some of us like shooting their driving or their perspective, and normally even I used to resort to my mobile phone, and that is good. The newer phones are really nice, but this is a dedicated action camera, and this can do much more than your phone. So that's it guys, we'll catch you pretty soon with another video. Till then, goodbye and God bless. No, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.